Hello viewers, I hope you're alright. Today's video show you how to solve green screen problem. I have a Sony Bravia TV and there is a green screen. It could be green screen or blue screen. So how to solve this? I show you the procedure how to solve this problem. Please see all the steps. You can solve the problem very easily. Okay, first of all, I shut down my PC, then turn off everything, then you go back in your TV, Sony Bravia. This, you see there is the 4 button over there. You see, you clearly see there is a 4 button. So you shut down like that. You just press shut down and press again. It's on again, and it will solve your problem. So I show you the way. First of all, I shut down this one. Okay, I shut down my Smart TV and on this button, this one. Okay, it will be this one or this one. So then then I turn on my TV. Yes, I turn on my TV. Hopefully it will solve my problem. And let's start. It takes a few seconds because I turn off and turn on. So you have to just shut down your PC. Then in the back button, you see, you press the back button, turn off and turn again. So it's opening now, and let's see what going to happen. I hope it will solve my problem. I go to the YouTube now. I go to the YouTube and I want to open one of the video, and hopefully it will solve my problem. For example, this one. Okay, this one. Okay, I will start my video. You see there is no green screen, no blue screen over there, and my internet is slow, so it will come. It takes time, but you see, it will solve my problem. Thank you very much. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.